jingwan jungi nomi khmat ki bana ki jilla ba pero pher jonga than chate lamingi banya shimbentahak annual conference ka ba arpho jonga Commonwealth Parliamentarians Association Zone 3 han nongba shilong kabla pelong rilbong kata ka ying darbar thaw an ka jilla kalalong ka jingmyntoi ka bai dei bar ki ka to ka ni ki mat ki ba ki pai ba ka jilla ki dawa ban treikam naga sarkar jilla kuntup naga sarkar India haga jingyo mania kren but chairman ka CPA Zone 3 ubalong ru ulampang ka ying darbar jonga jilla Arunachal Pradesh upasang dorji Sona la kren chapang kamat ILP ka baga jilla Meghalaya ka ab banyo jingmenjor pan treikam naga sarkar India nakaliang ulampang ka Arunachal uong ka ILP ka longkum ka watlam ka manep na baro arliang namar ka don ka jingmyntoi pat ka jingdo nong uong balada kwa banya dai ka chait benriu ka ILP ka long ka badun kam bat kumbalong menta kam don jing pynthut hapo ka jilla Arunachal Pradesh.
When I say ILP is a double-edged sword, it could be because if there's ILP, there's a restrictions in the investments and all. Because see, if I'm an investor, if I want to come to a place, but when there's so many regulations, I might looking for some other places where there are less regulations. And at the same time, but when you talk about protecting the ethnicity, and the indigenous people, again, this ILP also comes into a very good, tool, to protect the local indigenous culture and the people. So it's a double-edged sword. If you want your identity and the culture and it to be restored, then you have to lose something on your investment front. And if you want the investment, then you have to lose something on your other thing. So it's a double-edged sword. So it's how you take it.
It has merits and demerits.
Obviously, it has merits and demerits, but see, now the world is changing. Like I said, and you don't need a thing, to travel to a place. You can travel through internet. So anyway, but like I said, it's up to the government. You have to analyze, how it's going to benefit, when you implement the ILP.
So is there any thinking to remove ILP from
Arunachal? No, we don't have anything in the mind to remove that because we are now, things are placed in such a way. People are also aware that there's ILP, so they get ready. And to come to Arunachal, we're seeking ILP, and we have eased the process by giving online ILP, and you can have it on the point of entry also. So there's not much of a problem, but it's a mental blockade. Now, when you have to go and seek another permit to get into the state, so there's a little mental blockade thinking, I have to go, then again seek, but things have been eased. You can do on your fingertips, just apply for your ILP online. You can get the ILP within hours, and you can travel. Just only the mental blockade. You have to just take that out of your mind, and everything is fine. But ILP is ILP.